If I tell you now, would you keep on loving me? If I tell you how I feel, would you keep bringing out the best in me? In me, sweet as taboo. You give me the sweet as taboo. Too good for me. There's a quiet storm, and it's never felt like this before. There's a quiet storm, and it's you. There's a quiet storm, and it's never felt this hot before. Giving me something that's taboo. You give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I'm in love with you. You give me the sweetest taboo. Sometimes I think you're just too good for me. Supporting Gary's programs. I do anything.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I am Miss Lovely, aka Carla, whatever you want to call me, it doesn't matter. If you are new to the channel, then hey, how are you? Hey girl, hey. If you are an oldie but a goodie, hashtag in the comments right now, oldie but a goodie. So, and if you like the essence of today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So y'all see my two broke best friends. So we are at this place called Cabela's. It's like a Bass Pro shop, type place. It's like a fishing and outside type of place. But I came here because I am on the hunt, or I'm wanting a Bass Pro shop, like a trucker hat. I really am really liking the hats, and my kids said that they sell them here and they're like really inexpensive. So we came here to get a hat or two, and then I also want to go over to Target and probably Big Lot to get a few fall items. I'm not really big on like decorating my whole house in fall with the pumpkins and all that. I did buy some decor last year and I put it out, but I wasn't too like thrilled on how I wasn't too thrilled on how it came out, so I just kept it up there. But I'm really not, I'm not the type to really decorate my house like that for every season, especially because my kids are getting older now and they really could care less about it. And I just kind of got out of the notion of really want to decorate for seasons and stuff like that. But I might do just a little something, just a little something, maybe like a rug, or maybe like a centerpiece, and maybe like some dish towels or something to hang on the stove or something like that. But anyways, I might do something like that, but that's the most that I'll actually do as far as like decorating for fall and the season and stuff like that. So I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing well. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you guys gave on my last video. I really appreciate it. I really do. And you guys, if y'all are not following me on Facebook, follow your girl on Facebook, because I post on Facebook quite frequently. And I'm where the money resides, okay? I am going to be where the money resides. I am going to be where minding the business that pays me. And Facebook right now is paying me pretty well, you guys. I've maxed out. This will be my second month that I have maxed out on the Reels program. So if y'all not following me on Facebook, you definitely should. And if you're into social media like that and you want some extra income, y'all, I encourage you to get on the Facebook Reels program, because they are paying. I tell you like this, and like somebody told me one time, strike while the iron is hot. So while the iron is hot and the getting is getting good, if you can post Reels and get paid for it, why not? I mean, we're already posting on Facebook for free, posting our family and our food and some of our plates that don't be looking all that good. Y'all know how we do sometimes. Posting for free, why not post Reels and get paid for it? And I mean, I've been doing really good. I have I think I have like 22,000 followers on Facebook, y'all. So I'm really thriving over there. So if y'all don't see me here on the tube, you know, I'm not gonna forget about you guys. Y'all are my family. I love y'all. Y'all have been rocking me for a while. I have not forgot about you guys here on YouTube, but the money here on YouTube is a little bit slower than the money on Facebook, and Facebook money is like that easy, quick money. And huh? So I got some stuff from Five and Below, and then we also went over to Big Lots, and now we're at this place called Redneck Barbecue. Y'all see that? They got really, really good barbecue. And we bought the dog a shirt. Let me see the shirt. Security. So yeah, so we in the line getting some food, and I'll show y'all my food whenever we get home. But this place right here got the bomb barbecue. Bussin'.
Stop.
Somebody there.
Yeah, exactly.
Put your shirt on, Lotto. Would you be still? Oh, that's perfect.
It is perfect.
All right, y'all. So I made it back home, and I'm going to show you guys really quick what I bought, which you guys have really mostly seen everything. But I ended up getting this black and white rug right here from Five and Below. And then we went over to Big Lots and got this welcome mat right here. Got this little welcome mat. And then I got these little black and white kitchen towels. They're like the black and white with the little green right here. So I'm gonna put that come with this one right here, and then of course the black and white checkerboard. So I'm gonna put this on the stove, and that's probably gonna be it for my fall decor. Yeah, I know y'all like very, very minor. I did find me a hat from Cabela's, the store I went to earlier, and I ended up getting me a Bass Pro Shop hat. I ended up getting it in all black because the color that I really, really wanted was like an army green. They didn't have any army green, so I ended up getting it in all black. But I think this is going to be so cute. It's going to be a vibe. Y'all have to stay tuned and see how I rock my hat whenever I do decide to wear it. But I don't know, I just like the way that these look. And these are so cute. So on days that I want to like just wear my hat with my hair down and put some big hoops on, this is gonna be a vibe. Gonna be a vibe, y'all. And so yeah, so I got this hat. And then let me show y'all the food from Redneck Barbecues, because that place, when I say their food is like chef's kiss, I'm gonna do me a reel. I gotta do me a reel first, and then I'm gonna show you guys how the food looks. So I'll be right back. All right, so of course they give you sauce, and then this is my food right here. I got a piece of cornbread, some macaroni, and then got two bones or 2 ribs. Got that. And then I thought the ribs would be a little bigger than that. And then let's see what else we got. Okay, then we got, somebody got potato salad. This is my husband's plate right here. Collard greens, come with cornbread, and it's brisket down there, but I don't want to touch his food. And then I think this is the kids' plate over here. What is this? Macaroni, jalapeno macaroni, as a matter of fact, a double macaroni, cornbread. That's a rib. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but ribs. And y'all, I think we missing something. I'm guessing this is brisket. Yeah, that's brisket right there. If you guys can see the brisket. 2 pieces of brisket. And then, of course, 2 sides. I think it's like collards and beans, I believe. But yeah, that's our dinner for today. So I'm about to eat, and then I'm going to go outside and... So yeah, so after I eat, then I'm going to go outside and put up my 2 rugs, and then...
Location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else for you. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else for you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention. It was all for you. So send me your location and ride the vibration. I don't need